Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can solve a Sudoku. I know, very random, but you are going to basically just select a puzzle. Let's go to the easy one first because I feel like I don't have the time to do like medium. So as you can see, Sudoku is like where you can't have the same numbers in every row and every column and every like square as well. So as you can see, we have one here in this row, so we can't put one here or here. And we also have one here. But there is also one in this column, so I can't put it here. So I can only put one over there. Okay, moving on to 2. So here there's 2 in this row, 2 in this row, leaving with this one. There's also 2 in this column, 2 in this column, so I can only put 2 here. Again, 2 in this like column here, 2 on this row, so that leaves us with 2 over here. And then what else can we do? Okay, so we'll do that first for 2. But I think you understand the point already. So there's 3 in this column, so that leaves 3 here. And you can't put 3 there as well. And here, there's 3 in this row. Okay, there's already like 3s here, so we can just skip that. So there's 3 on this row, 3 on this row, and there's 3 here. You're just going to add that. And I'm just going to speed this up and finish it, and hopefully you'll finish your Sudoku as well, but this is just a rough example, so I'll be right back when it's over. And there we go, it took longer because I obviously had to explain, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can play Sudoku. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!